Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how to create database on Hostinger. So first of all I will open Hostinger account, then go to home section and click on manage button. So the Hostinger dashboard has been opened. After that I will scroll up of this dashboard and go to database section. Then click on MySQL database. So I will create a new database on this page. So first of all I will put the database name. After that I will put username of database. And finally I will put a password of this database and click on create button. So finally this database has been created successfully. After that I will open this database. So in the last section my database is here. So username is database new and username of this database admin. So finally I will open this database PHP section, PHP my admin section. Go to enter PHP my admin button, click on that. So finally PHP my admin section has been opened successfully. So in this way we can create database on Hostinger.